Hello students, now we will begin with exercise 4.4 question 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals and sub question 1 is quadrilateral DEAR. And here the measurement of 3 sides and 2 angles are given to us. With the help of this measurement we will now construct our figure. So the first step is to draw the rough figure. So it is a quadrilateral. So the name of the quadrilateral is DEAR. So DEAR. Here segment DE is 4 cm. This is DE, 4 cm. EA is 5 cm. AR is 4.5 cm. Measure angle E is 60 degree. Angle E is 60 degree and angle A is 90 degree. So this is angle A and this is 90 degree. Okay, so our rough figure is ready and we will now begin with the actual construction. So we will first draw the base line, that is AE. So we'll keep it here. AE is 5 cm. So draw 5 cm. This is A and this point is E. This is 5 cm. Now we will construct the angles. First we will construct angle A. By now we know how to construct angles using a compass. So take a compass, keep it on point A and draw an arc of any measurement. Keeping the same measurement, place your compass pointer on this point and draw an arc. With the same measurement, we will keep our compass pointer here and draw another arc. So this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree and this the entire it will be 180 degree. So if we draw an angle here, this will be 60 degree, this will be 120 degree. But here we want the angle of measurement 90 degree. And we know when we bisect this arc which lies between 60 degree and 120 degree, we get 90 degree. So keep your compass pointer on this arc and draw an arc above. Similarly, keeping the same measurement, we will keep our compass pointer on the other arc and draw an arc here. So we got this point and we will now join these 2 points. So this is 90 degree. We will write the measurement. This is 90 degree. So we have constructed point A. Now we will construct angle E. So angle E is of the measurement 60 degree. Again we will use the same procedure. Keeping the compass pointer on point E, draw an arc. Now we will keep the compass pointer here and draw another arc. So this arc makes 60 degree and here we just want 60 degree. So we will draw only one arc and this makes 60 degree. So draw a line joining both these points. Okay. So this is our angle E which is 60 degree. Now we have constructed angle A and E. The next step is to construct DE and RA. So DE is of the measurement 4 cm. So take 4 cm on our scale. Okay, so we took the measurement 4 cm on our compass and ED is 4 centimeter. So our compass pointer will be on point E and we will draw an arc here. So this is our point D. Now AR is 4.5 centimeter. So take the measurement 4.5 centimeter on our compass. So this is 4.5 centimeter and AR is 4.5. So our compass pointer will be on A and we will draw an arc. So this point is our point R. So we got point R and point D. Now we will just join both these points. This ED is 4 centimeter and AR is 4.5 centimeter. So this is the required quadrilateral DEAR.